Maxi-mix mortar and grout delivery system. You'll always get a consistent quality mortar or grout because our entire product is pre-blended dry at our plant in Milton, Ontario, Canada, using our state-of-the-art computer batching system. Follow this step-by-step instructional video to safely set up and operate the Maxi-mix mortar and grout silo delivery system. Before you start, always have a qualified electrician connect the power cable to your power supply. The unit needs 220 volt, 30 amp, single phase. In order for the system to work, you need to ensure that you have a minimum of 45 psi water pressure. Always hook up power before hooking up the water. Pick up the silo electrical control panel and hang it on the cross of the silo legs. Attach the female end of the power cable to the panel receptacle. Hook up the motor cords. They're color-coded. The vibrator is orange, and the mixing motor is blue. For your safety, all connectors are different and can only fit into the appropriate socket. Next, attach your water source to the water inlet of the water system below the electrical panel. Complete your water connections with the Chicago fittings water hose to the wet mixing chamber. Energize the system, turning the lockout switch to the on position and pushing the green start button. It's recommended to check the system with the silo gate valve closed to ensure everything works. Open the silo gate and push the start button to commence mixing. Adjust the water content only after it's been mixing for a couple of minutes. Adjust it gradually, 1/8 to 1/4 turn. You'll notice that inside the control panel, you have access to the mixing timer. It's preset from 4 to 7 minutes and can be adjusted to suit all sizes of mortar boxes. Once you're done for the day, close the silo valve gate and push the start button. Let the wet and dry mixing chamber run empty. Push the stop button. Turn off main power and lock out the switch. You're now ready to clean. Remove the end cap on the wet mixing chamber. Pull out the auger and clean it with fresh water. Undo the latch on the wet mixing chamber and swing it out for cleaning. Clean the wet chamber using fresh water. Reinstall the auger and end cap to the system and remove the control panel. Remember to drain the water from the system and store the control panel overnight in a dry space over 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius. For your safety, refer to the appropriate MSDS of the product. Lock out the system before servicing. Never operate the equipment without all the parts connected. Never reach up into the mixing unit at the discharge end without being properly locked out at the electrical panel. Check the unit and power cables daily for damage and wear. Always report any unsafe conditions immediately to your supervisor. This video is designed to show you the safe operation of the Maxi-mix wet mortar and grout delivery system. Maxi-mix is also available as a dry unit dispenser. The Maxi-mix delivery system works just in time. Always check the silo to determine when you should reorder. A simple hollow chamber mallet test will tell you when you need to refill it. Reorder when the tank sounds hollow below the red line. Maxi-mix is conveniently located to serve Southern Ontario and Western New York State. Allow up to 24 hours for delivery. For more information, call us toll-free at 888-822-3777. This video is meant as an educational tool. Maxi-mix and ICO Industries is not responsible for misinterpretation of contents.